In this video, I'll demonstrate how to read a bill of materials. Now on the screen is a sample bill of materials, which for short is often just called a BOM. This BOM is for a 6-pack of liquid hand soap. Let's start by assuming that this company only sells the item in a box of 6. This product has an item number or SKU number. SKU just stands for stock keeping unit. This is a number which is unique to this item because we need a way to distinguish it from all other items in our system. Next, we have a product description. This is a text description to make this item easily understood by everyone. This particular item is a 500 milliliter size of a lavender liquid hand soap. The item number and description are not part of the BOM. They are actually in your item master list, but they are used to be able to find the bill of materials for this particular item in your system. So let's read the bill of materials for item LS-1001. First, we see that the unit of measure for this bill of materials is a 6-pack. Try not to confuse the unit of measure for the BOM with the unit of measure for the underlying components that I'll show you in just a moment. Now this BOM consists of 6 items. First, we have a label. The unit of measure on the label is unit, meaning one label. If we look at the quantity field, we see that we need 6 labels to make a 6-pack of this product. This makes sense since one label will go on each bottle of the 6-pack. Similarly, we need 6 bottles and 6 caps in order to make a 6-pack of this product. On the next line, we see that we need 6 500 milliliter batches of soap, one for each of the bottles. On the next line, we see that we need 1 shipping box in which we will put the 6 filled, capped, and labeled bottles of soap. On the final line, you will see the cost of labor to produce one 6-pack. On some BOMs, you may also see an allocated cost for things like utilities and equipment depreciation, but I don't see that very often. Now suppose this company sells their soap in both 6-packs and individual units. They may choose to outline this BOM for a single unit instead of a 6-pack. Let's take a look at what that would look like. In this particular case, we define the unit of measure on the bill of materials to be unit. Because we're no longer talking about a group of 6, we're going to define the bill of materials to be just one bottle of soap. Then, when we look at the list of the components to make one unit of soap, we can see that the quantity for all of the components except the box is equal to 1. And the box is defined to be 1/6 of a box. Now, in reality, if this company ships single boxes out in a different box than they use for when they ship 6-packs, they would have 2 bills of materials, so they can define this unit to use a single box, probably a smaller box, and they can define the 6-pack to use a larger box where they can fit 6 units inside the box. I hope that explanation has helped you understand how to read a bill of materials.